If you ever wished you could look back at every change made to your Google Slides presentation, whether to fix a mistake or see who edited what, you're in the right place. Today, you'll learn exactly how to view and use revision history in Google Slides, and by the end, you'll know how to access old versions, track edits, and restore anything with just a click. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google Slides. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. Otherwise, your presentations won't show up. Once you're on the homepage, select the presentation you want to work with. You can use an existing file or open a new one if you're just exploring. With your presentation open, look at the top menu bar and click on File. When the drop-down appears, hover over Version History and then select See Version History. This is where all the behind-the-scenes details live. A panel will pop up on the right side of your screen with a list of saved versions. Each version is timestamped, and if you're collaborating, you'll also see who made the edits. Click on any version to preview what the slides look like at that point. If you spot the version you want to go back to, you'll have the option to restore it instantly. And don't worry, nothing is lost. Google keeps every version safely stored so you can always revisit it later. This feature is especially powerful for group projects, shared presentations, or fixing accidental changes. It gives you a built-in safety net and a clear history of how your slideshow has evolved over time. If this guide helped you take control of your slides workflow, stick around for more quick tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.